The most common mistake we see in roundabouts is when the driver is not correctly adjusting their positioning when entering the roundabouts. In this situation, I've asked my student to go second exit ahead, and as we're arriving at the roundabout, there are 3 available lanes. The one on our left is only to turn left, the current one we are in, or the middle one, is only to go straight ahead, and the right-hand side is only to turn right or go around the roundabout. Imagine there is a circle around the roundabout dividing the road in 2 lanes. Anyone who wants to turn left, they should be taking the left lane and stay as close as they can to the outer side of the roundabout. In our case, as we are entering into the roundabout, we should be staying closely to the left lane or aiming to stay close to the first island that cars go in and inside the roundabout. In the first attempt, we can see the student entering the roundabout, positioning themselves into the middle between both lanes. This could have caused an accident if there was also a car emerging into the roundabout from the right-hand side lane. In the second attempt, as we enter, we have positioned ourselves into the left close to the island. In this way, we give enough space to any cars coming from the right-hand side lane.